Hey, welcome back to our new video. For more information, kindly like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. So today the Shopify store we are discussing is the fashionable tech stories store that provides you the tech stories for your pet fashion like hair dryer, straightener, and they just work on what's in trend, what's in fashion, and many other things. Their heritage was Hellenic Lazarev, a Russian-born Paris-raised journalist, founded the legendary LA magazine on November 21st of 1945. At that time, the French capital had been ravaged by war, and Lazarev had returned to her beloved city after several years in New York City, working in the media industry. The successful writer dreamed of a women's magazine whose key editorial approach was to open women's mind to diverse trends throughout the world and provide them with exclusive access to the fashion and beauty industries. So the Lazarev achieved her goal in LA. A magazine for a woman run by a woman was born. Hazare Helene Lazarev, founder of LA, said that seriousness in frivolity and irony in graveness. They have many magazines. LA was to be a magazine with its own perspective and convictions. Like if you talk about the cornerstone of the magazine was its underlying tone of irony in seriously and seriousness in frivolity. LA has democratized fashion. Its international rollout began in the United States in 1985. LA is the world's number one fashion magazine network. It LA, at LA, everything is about style, from the way a woman lives to where she travels and her taste in music, art, food, cars, and technology. In the 80s, LA became a global brand with its first ready to wear collection launched in Japan. It was just one of so many collections to come. For more information, kindly share our video with your friends. See you in the next video.